Thank you very much, Sadhna. And let us know you are there with us for 5 days, right? We have covered the schools event, college event, and the 3 days agent workshop as well. What is your experience and any feedback you have for the study metro?
Well, Study Metro has always been my very extensive partner, and I have been receiving multiple and number of visas. I must mention that I have been receiving minimum of say 50 to 100 visas last intake I had. So yes, anything organized and managed by Study Metro, I have always been part and supported. And talking about this particular event, yes, it was an extensive experience. I was there from the starting of this event, wherein we did school, then we did college, and then we had this agent meetup for 3 days. School was good, wherein we got the opportunity to connect with the students one-on-one. That was an extensive experience, wherein it was lovely meeting with the young minds there. College, we did 3 colleges. We did Medicap and Sage University and Vivekanand. So again, lovely experience guiding the students there as well. So it always fun when you connect with like-minded people, wherein people who understand the requirement and they work towards it. So it becomes easier. So the same goes with Study Metro and Central Michigan, wherein we understand the needs and we support the university, support the partner, and the partner equally support the university in terms of recruitment, in terms of giving the quality students, and in terms of the smooth process that goes in that thing. So yes, always been thankful to Study Metro for all the extensive support that CMU has been receiving from the team, and amazing, well organized event wherein listening to other partners, other universities, it was fun, knowing about them was fun, talking to the partners was fun. So it is always lovely when you interact with people with different mind, know the what they are actually going through, what questions they have, and then that helps us in the learning process as well. So it is a learning for me, wherein talking to different people and understanding what exactly they need, what kind of students they have, and then guiding them accordingly. And if I don't have something, I can certainly take those points to my AD and talk to her, okay, this is what my partner need and we have to give them this. So in terms of that, it was a lovely 5 days event, well organized by the entire Study Metro team. So I certainly can say that kudos to Study Metro, and yes, good job done.
So you're joining on April 11th?
Absolutely. Anything organized by Study Metro, I have been the part of Study Metro from a very long time, and I will be supporting and will be there for all your events that whenever you have it, just let me know and I'll be there.
Out of 10, how much?
So let's not rate it because the rating will go haywire. So, but again, Study Metro has always been a good support to Central Michigan, and in terms of everything that I have worked with. So again, it's a good platform wherein we can connect, we can talk, and we can seriously achieve great heights as well. So yes, to the partners, thank you so much, and to Study Metro and to Abhishek sir also, thank you so much for supporting Central Michigan in the way that you guys are doing.
Thank you
so
so
much.
much. Thank you.